Girl is there. Girl, girl. Girl child. Not woman. Girl.
We are all girls at heart.
We women, we were born, we have stayed alive, we are educated, and now we are gainfully employed. We are the lucky chosen ones. Our nation needs to give this chance, this privilege, to each and every girl child born here on this land of ours, of Ganga, Jamuna and Saraswati. National Girl Child Day is celebrated every year on the 24th of January as a national observance day for the girl child. This celebration was started to offer more support and new opportunities to the girls in the country.
Films have a strong influence on the society because it is said films touch our hearts, awaken our vision, and change the way we see things. In fact, films play the role of an ideal catalyst in increasing and spreading awareness especially on social issues. Therefore, State Family Welfare Bureau, Directorate of Health Services, and the Collectorate North Goa organized a short film contest on the theme Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And today, on the day of National Girl Child Day, we are pleased to announce the awards of the contest. I now request our chief guest for today's function, Srimati Neela Mohanji, to award the prizes to the winners. The first prize goes to the film Yo Kheya, Come Let's Play by Children Rights in Goa, directed by Rucha Prabhudesai.
रुचा आप जोर का दो यहाँ पे लोग है हेलो मैडम मैडम
Congratulations, Mogachi Amchitsali and team.
यहाँ पे
Amche Happy Hearts, Nikita Shirgaonkar. Dr. Navjot, we hope you will continue to carry the message on Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao through your distinctive works.
yeah look
This year we wanted something different, something which would provoke our young men and women to think about the issue of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, the question of women's empowerment, what has been done, what remains to be done, how much more distance is to be covered in our long journey towards women's equality. These were some of the issues. And it was the idea of Dr. Vandana and her team, and today I got to know that Dr. Martins, as the member of the Advisory Council of the State PNDT, also was part of this idea, this great idea of having a short filmmaking competition, which I think is really the highlight of today's celebration. Because otherwise we would have gathered here, we would have had a brief function and then we would have gone back home. But these movies, these short films will definitely make us think, just the way they may have made the people who conceptualized it, executed it and brought it into the final form. Those members who are behind the production, as you would say it, would have given a lot of thought to this entire idea, and that is why they have come out with their interpretation of what gender equality means to them. But equally, when we see their creations, their works of art, we would also be able to get, I'm sure, a new inspiration and a new urge and a new desire to work more frequently and put in more efforts towards the larger issue of gender equality. This is, as I said, a very long journey. It is not something which will be completed within a single day. This is not a journey which can be completed in a single day, nor is it a journey which should involve and include only women. It is a journey in which men, young boys, children as young as 4 to 5 years of age, boys, girls, all of them should be part of this enterprise. because that is the age when you begin to get ideas about what is happening around you in the world. Those ideas develop over a period of time. But I firmly believe that this struggle towards gender equality is not something that only women can do. If we want it that way, then it's always going to be a lonely battle. It need not even be a struggle. It can in fact be a journey. It can be a cooperative journey. It can be a collaborative journey. But for that, we need men and women to join hands together. I feel very glad when I see boys and young men participating in events which are on the issue and the area of gender equality. Even today, we have enough male participants who have won prizes as well as equally importantly participated and been part of the creative process. So that is indeed very heartening, and that is the way it should be. Because here in Goa, we do not have too many serious problems when we think about the matter of gender equality. Nevertheless, there are lots of things that we can still improve. We may be better off in comparison with most other states in the country, but definitely we have to set our own standards higher and higher for ourselves. There are still occasions, incidents when we start thinking whether what we have achieved so far is enough or not. My honest belief is that it is not enough. We have to move much further forward, and for that we need a cooperative, collaborative effort. I must place on record my sincere appreciation of the efforts taken by the Department of Health. Every event has a signature to it, and I think it comes from a true commitment to the cause of the scheme, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, which unfortunately even till date is not widely known. Those of us who have access to information know about it, but our task remains to spread the message down to the panchayat level. There are many areas, many geographical areas as well as sectors of our society where we need to spread the message of this scheme. It is not just that it is a scheme. Basically, the message of the scheme is what is important. Apart from talking about the saving of the girl child and saving the girl child from being killed even before she takes birth, along with that, equally powerful is the message of women's empowerment. I'm sure that in the days to come, Health Department as well as the other departments, I must also mention Women and Child Development Department, which is our nodal department for the execution of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And definitely let me also mention that ever since Deepak Desai ji took over as a director of the department, there is a new emphasis and a new impetus for the scheme. So I'm sure that together with the departments of education as well as WCD, health, all departments, Directorate of Panchayat, we need every department to be part of this process. I'm sure that along with them, holding hands with them, we in the collectorate would also be able to do much more towards the cause of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Let me sincerely congratulate all the participants of the short film making competition, especially the prize winners. But as I said, the very spirit of participation is what matters. We are all eagerly looking forward to see the movies, and I'm sure that it will definitely leave us with a very important message about gender equality. With these words, I conclude.
So it was my suggestion. So we were very particular about what we were looking for, and there were 15 short films that came. The duration was 3 to 5 minutes, and what we were looking for was the content, the narration, the story, the message that went out. And we were very impressed with the kind of messages that were being sent in terms of work-related issues, gender sensitization as far as the domestic work is concerned, the statistics about the gender inequality and how we can, reform that particular discrepancy in the country. And it was a very refreshing thing to know that from various corners of Goa, the entries had come. And a lot of women had participated from the rural areas, and it is a very proud moment for us that this message is reaching far into the far corners of Goa, and people are taking interest in the gender inequality, and we are hoping to rectify the same in the years to come. It is a very a lengthy process, but one step at a time, and one day at a time, and one project at a time, and I'm sure we'll be there one day.
Today, 24th January is National Girl Child Day, and we are holding this function to celebrate this day along with the Collector North Goa office. It is under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme that we decided to hold this program. As far as the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme is there, whatever awareness activities which have to be conducted for the state of Goa, it is being done by the Health Department, the Family Welfare Bureau of the Health Department. So we are having a series of activities ongoing throughout the year. But whenever there is a focus of such days, like we had the International Girl Child Day on the 6th October, today is the National Girl Child Day, then we have Women's Day. So we take the opportunity of these national days and we organize functions where we spread the message of giving birth to the girl child, educating them and empowering them. So this time we have come with this short film contest, and they were really very good films which are made by our youngsters and others. And our main intention is now we are going to project these films all over the state of Goa, not only in our health centers but in public places, and we will also be sending it to the national level so that they have a view and they can project it at the national level also. So I wish all the best to all our girls, and it is now time not only to educate and empower the girls, and we need support not only from the parents and the community but everyone to bring up the girl child and empower.
तयार करता तर कसे करूया तेका पहिले येऊ बाय काय पोया बाय नाव तुझे which standard आहे तू बाय जायना तुझे बाबूजी तो ना स्टाईल बोन दिसतं ते कधी आवडले पहिली म्हणले तसे लग्न मागचे बेगीन करूया
हाय हाय मागीर एग्जाम्स आसा तेज्यो
एग्जाम्स लग्न जावन आनी कॉलेजीन गेले लोक कितें म्हणटले हे सगळे मागीर पळया जमतले न्ही तुमकां तयारी
हाय हाय आमी सगळे करतले तुमी चिंता करनाका
अशें आमी चड काय मागपाना तुमकां जाय तें दिवपाचें मॅडम बरो केला केक तुम्ही हे सगळे सोडून शेफ जावपाचे न्ही
खूप जाऊन कितले जोडटले आणि आता पिराय गेली तर मला कोण लग्न जावपाना ती बेकारची स्वप्न पळोवपाची बंद कर
बाय तू व्हडलो तेका कितें जातलें
हांव लग्न जातलें
तशें न्ही गो डॉक्टर इंजिनियर टीचर आसा तशें कितें जातलें तूं
काका स्वप्न पळोवन कितें जातलें स्वप्न पूर्ण जावपा पयलीं पप्पा म्हजें लग्न करून दितलो
तुझी कितें स्वप्न आसा लग्न जावपाचें आसा तुमकां हांव काय व्हडलें करून पावना एक रांदचे ऑफिसांत काम करता तुमची चलयेक शिकपाची आवड आसा ते फाल्यां दोतोर जावन देशाचें नांव वयर काडपाक शकता ताचे दोळ्यांत ताचीं स्वप्नां दिसता लग्न करून ताची स्वप्नां म्हणून उडयता ताका शिकपा जाय ताका शिकपा दिया
तुम्ही जो आज केक खाला पळय तो एका बऱ्या शेफान तयार केला जिका तिच्या बापायन तिची स्वप्नां पूर्ण करपाक दिली ना कित्याक लग्न जावन काम केल्यार लोक कितें म्हणटले आज जर हें लग्न ठरिल्लें जाल्यार तुमी खुशीन वता आशिल्ले म्हजी स्वप्नां म्हाका दिसना की म्हजें शिक्षण ह्या लग्ना खातीर आडखळ आशिल्लें पूण हें लग्न मात म्हज्या शिक्षणांत व्हडली आडखळ आसा आणि म्हाका दिसता की खंयच्याय चलयेचें म्हत्व हुंड्यापेक्षा चडूच आसा.